So let's play some Baldur's Gate music. Alright, we're going to learn how to play Down by the River, a song from Baldur's Gate 3. The song is fairly simple. We're using a capo here to give us that Dorian, that minor mode. The song's in that Dorian mode. And we're going to utilize a lot of the double string, but occasionally we're going to have to dip down to the middle and the bass string here and there. I'm going to be playing in a standard tuning. I'm tuned D, A, D, but I do have a capo on the first fret, putting me in E. Of course, similar tunings are going to work. Your G, D, G, your A, E, A, or so on with 1-5-1 or 1-5-8 tunings. For fear of messing up the composer's name, you'll find their name down in the comments or here on the screen. A popular cover out there is by Rachel Hardy, and I'll be playing in the same key that she's singing in. So if you want to play along with the song and you've got a dulcimer that's usually tuned to D or D-A-D, then I would suggest popping that capo on the first fret, and then you'll be matching that recording. So that'd be a good way to listen and try to get your timing right. Most of the song I'm going to play in the traditional fashion, where I'm going to strum all the strings, allowing the low strings to drone while we play the melody up and down the double string or the high string. And good news for those of you who have lute dulcimers with just 7 frets, because we don't really need to go past that octave fret or that half step fret. With the capo here, open is still 0, but fret 1 is the first fret after the capo, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This song will dip down in the lower strings just a little bit, so it's going to be good picking practice as well. Remember, when you pick, or if you're using your fingers, put a finger or two on the body of your instrument. That way your hand can measure, and eventually you'll be able to play that without having to look. I'll be droning fairly often just to give it a little harmony in the background. Other than that, just take your time. If you're finding my videos helpful or entertaining, be sure to like and subscribe so you're notified when I release new ones.